Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: National Health Mission opens SSA State Education Mission Authority and Wellness Ambassador at Nongpo in Ribhoi District. West Janta Hills Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad provides training program to its members. And Office of Executive Engineer PWD Roads Jowai Central Division organizes maintenance drive of PMGSY roads in Janta Hills. And now the news in detail. The National Health Mission, in collaboration with District Health Coordination, yesterday opened the SSA Simam District Level School Health and Wellness Ambassador at a function held at the Catholic Parish Hall, Nongpo in Ribhoi District. The aim of this health facility is to provide better health care for the students. This program was inaugurated by the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, R.M. Kurba. The Joint Director of District School Education and Literacy, V.S. Nongbet, District Medical Health Officer, Dr. Mary Saemle, Dr. Alicia Saem, teachers and students were present on the occasion. Prizes were given away on the occasion to the winners of the play, slogan writing and others.
Right? Whereas in other districts, the target is being given only from 9 to 12. So you can understand the importance that the government is giving to Ribhoi, and especially when we go and assess, like Norbert has just mentioned, that when we assess the maths and science performance of the student, we are lagging behind. Even when the Niti Ayog CEO sir has visited our district, he had a conversation with some of the teachers in Sidon village. Over there, he has mentioned one thing: learning outcome. You know, we are not following up with the learning outcome of students. At present, training is still going on for the teachers to evaluate how much a student has learned. You know that right from KG till class 10, there is a syllabus. Okay? How much a student has learned for a specific class within a specific, specific timeline, specific lessons that students should learn. This is not happening in our district. So we are very, we really have to push ourselves, not only the heads of the district here, but also the students, the teachers, the parents.
You have got a training, especially from the teacher, as a health and wellness ambassador. So this training, you have to motivate children, so that our children, they will not scare anymore in mathematics and science. So this year and last year also, we have not seen that our students from the district will achieve 100% or maybe 90% about in math and science. But this year I am very happy. Two children, they have scored 100% in physical health and education. So maybe they are physically fit. So this is very important. It is our teamwork from education department and also from the health department, so that we can achieve the target. We know that health is very important. And every time we used to talk in school, children, they need to be physically and mentally fit. Why we have to say this? Because without good health, in good condition, our children cannot concentrate. That's why we have a lot of programs. We have a nutrition, we have a midday meal, so we have also a tobacco free in education center. A lot of programs we have done. Our motive from education is that to improve the learning outcome of our children, so that they can shine up, so that they can score a very good mark in mathematics and science. Very, very sad to say that we are weak in mathematics. And even those who pass in this Ribhoi district in class 10, we are not behind in math and science. Most of them, they fail in mathematics. I don't know, they are scared of it, maybe teachers, so they are scared to teach mathematics. But remember, if you are physically fit, you should not scare. Don't scare about mathematics, but you have to scare about how our brain will function.
As part of the 75th year of Independence Day celebration, also known as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Office of Executive Engineer PWD Roads Jowai Central Division today organized the maintenance drive of PMGSY roads that connects Mukla Soshre Merjai with Mupliang. The maintenance drive of these roads is funded by National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency, Ministry of Rural Development and Government of India through Meghalaya PWD roads. The drive will be taken up in other parts of the state. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad of West Jayanta Hills today organized a training program for its members at Yungwali Dorbar Shillong Chiliang Raj in Jowai to understand the aims and objectives of the organization. The Central Working Committee member of ABVP Darilin Tang said organization works for the students and young people of Jayanta Hills.
Sanitary pad, you can tie up an MCAM, the Homan Banana. The Teda MCAM protect VV let. Talk one each and rang Sarongi, he that bone which and rang Alaisan. Tamaki, Memongi that you can tie your Sarongi, MCAM Sarami. Wiki, ye Brakru, MCAM Sarami. MCAM Snapiman nationality. Ye down, we have a nigga to celebrate the bone Rukami program. So
viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.